Well, hello everyone. It's Johnny Briaco, the Angelic Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks for joining me. So I'm in front of a beautiful angel, and today I'm guided to connect with one of the powerful archangels known as Archangel Metatron. He's known for working with young people and for those that are gifted. Everyone is gifted, but some open up to their gifts more than others. So we're going to connect with that powerful Archangel Metatron. So take your time, closing your eyes. Take your time going within yourself, holding that intent of connecting with your highest self, being completely open and receptive. Letting go of any other thoughts or concerns and focusing on being completely open to the guidance that will be coming through as we call upon Archangel Metatron to be with us and to bring forth the messages that he has for us at this time that will help us right here and right now. And imagine a powerful being of light, beautiful wings spread out, beautiful divine being of light standing there, unwavering spiritual authority and power. And he's there to remind you of your power, and he would like you to stand in your unwavering spiritual authority, knowing who you are and what you're made of. And you see yourself standing there along with him, ready to receive the message that he has for you. And the first message that he has for you is to love yourself unconditionally. And he goes on to explain that means setting boundaries when you need to, stating what you are willing to accept and what you're not willing to accept. He explains that we're here to be the presence of divine light and to be unconditionally loving and accepting of everything and everyone, especially ourselves. He explains that part of that means that if and when you are being mistreated or not treated the way you know deep down in your heart and in your soul that you ought to be treated, that you deserve to be treated, that you want to be treated, that you need to be treated, you are not being treated with the love that you are and that you deserve, that is your time to speak your truth and to express yourself, to ask for what you need, express what you need, express that you are loved and you deserve to be loved with a powerful, clear voice, unafraid of being judged or ridiculed or made fun of, unafraid of losing anything or anyone, speaking with self-love, with self-compassion and compassion for the other as well, from a place of love though, as much as you can, from a place of loving yourself and honoring yourself enough, fully and completely, to speak your truth. And he asks you to walk around standing tall in all your unwavering spiritual authority, knowing that you are sacred and that you are divine and that you're meant to treat yourself as such and for others to treat you like that. To convey that energy, to help others remind themselves, remind everyone that we are all sacred and divine and are worthy of being treated as such and treating others like that, and doing it every single day to the best of your ability. Keep following your path, moving forward towards your goal of complete self-love and self-acceptance and self-mastery, knowing the master within, the love and light being within, and knowing we are all that being of love and light. Taking that message in, aligning with that message, remembering to love and honor yourself and speak that truth of yourself to everyone. Sending that message out. And then imagine Archangel Metatron one more time coming up to you and conveying one more message that he has for you. It's one to help you to conquer fear. He's here to help you to conquer your fears. And he wants you to start right here and right now, today, this time and this place. Recognizing that you are made of divine love, that you have unlimited power within you, that you can place your faith in yourself, your trust in yourself and in the divine, and in the power of love, in your gifts and in your abilities, and you can face your fears, you can take your power back. You have that courage within you. Archangel Metatron is here to help you to do that, to help you open up to that, to help you to align with a powerful, unlimited, courageous soul that you are, that can transform all that fear into power. Recognize how powerful you are, and when you face your fears, you take all that power back. No longer giving your fears away, your powers away to your fears. No more. Facing your fears and taking that power back, and becoming even more powerful, even more confident, even more faith-filled, even more love-filled, and even more light-filled. Ready to conquer this day and every day. Ready to conquer your fears and replace them with divine love. Recognizing that that's what that fear is there for, to help you to do this, to help you to be that presence of divine love. You can and you will, more and more every day. And you can start today. Archangel Metatron assures you he is with you to help you. Be that powerful dragon that you are, and breathe that transformative fire within you. And like a dragon, be afraid of nothing, knowing that you are pure, divine, sacred love. You can release your fears. And he has one extra message for you now, before we go. And it's one of the color orange, and of connection and of attunement. So start to feel and see beautiful, powerful orange energy, orange light. In front of you, see Archangel Metatron as a powerful dragon now, breathing his transformative fires into you, helping you to awaken your own transformative fires, your own powerful inner fires. And know that you can and you will transform into all that you are meant to be. And you are doing it right here and right now, and you will continue to, aligning with all that you are and all that you're meant to be. Be that powerful dragon and breathe through any adversity, any obstacles, becoming even more powerful and loving, light-filled along the way. Take your time thanking Archangel Metatron and bringing all those messages and that energy back to this time and this place.